So this is one of the locks that Gavin sent me, Boybilbo81, YouTube channel user, and he sent me through a little padlock, some security pins to make up a couple of challenge locks, and 2 Euro cylinder style locks. So I've got one in the vise already ready to go, and I've got this one here ready to see if I can get open. And my little thing's falling over. So I've had a little rake with it, and quite successfully. Didn't take too long to get open with the new rakes that I've got, the Peterson bogies. There we go. Got that open fairly easily, and quite chuffed with that. And I've got the one in the 18 gauge, and I've got one in the 23 gauge. So if you want to be a little bit more heavy-handed, you can use the slightly more meatier one. Let's see how we get on with it to see if this one goes in. Yeah, there we go. Ah, I had it. That was in then. I'm just digging around in there. There we go. And that's open there as well with the other one. So yeah, really pleased with that. Thank you.